Hi, I have a new video for you. I'll walk you through all the steps to make this lovely sausage dog. Whee! Cute. And you can find the pattern, the free pattern on madamsew.com, and also the written tutorial and all the steps. Let's do this. First, you have to print the pattern. Download the pattern, print the pattern, cut the pieces and assemble them. There are 6 pages that you have to print on A4 or US letter size. Then you cut them all out. And when you have this, you can start copying it on your fabric pieces. 2 times the dog and 4 times the little ear. And to cut the pieces, I'm trying 3 different ways. With scissors, with my rotary cutter, and with a new tool that I got to test, fabric scissors. And now it is time to assemble all the pieces. So let's go over to the sewing machine. Yay! You start by assembling the ears. So put the 2 sides together, right sides facing, and sew all around. You can leave the top open. Then trim the edges of the ears and turn the ears right sides out. Now grab your 2 main pieces, pin the ears to the main pieces on the right side. Now put the 2 main pieces on top of each other, right sides facing, and pin or clip all around. And now back to your machine to sew all around, and make sure you grab the ears in your seam. And don't forget to leave a 2-inch opening as a turning hole and to use for stuffing the pillow. Trim the edges and turn right side out. Now you can start stuffing the pillow with your soft filling. What's important is that you stuff the smallest or the trickiest parts first. So the nose and the tail are best to be stuffed before you stuff the rest. If not, it's hard to reach those places. Give the dog a little massage from time to time to see if the filling is well spread. And after the final massage, you can close the opening with a hand stitch. I used a leather stitch to do this. If you want, you can add a little button for the eye. And now you have your little sausage dog. Yay. If you have more questions, go to madamsew.com. There are plenty more details in the written tutorial, and that's where you can download the free tutorial. Bye!